Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today is 80s Day. Happy Halloween, y'all. I hope y'all are enjoying this Halloween week with all the crazy looks that I've been giving you. Today I have part of my Macy's haul. Now I have a couple more items, but they're not going to come until the 27th and it's the 22nd. And so I just want to go ahead and open the box and show you what's inside this Macy's haul. So I have given in to the fact that maybe I need to start, buying some long sleeves because the temperatures are starting to drop. It's 67 here, which is fall weather. It's nice. Got the windows open, you know that. But eventually I will need longer sleeves. So I just thought, oh, I'll get a Macy's order. I like Macy's. So this is the box that they came in. This is a big old long box. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Y'all, you know Macy's has like makeup and stuff. It's so hard for me not to go into that section and get makeup and stuff because I'm so obsessed with it. But I'm trying to be good, especially since I did a Lisa Eldridge haul. So, all right, here's what is in here. I don't think it needed that long box, but the cats will enjoy it. Everything is individually wrapped, so I'm gonna unwrap everything and I'll be right back. All right, so here are the items that I got. Along with realizing maybe I should go into long sleeves, I also did venture into the sizing down portion of the world. Y'all, I've been getting a lot of comments that stuff was a little too big on me. I had to agree, and I'm just having a hard time thinking that I'd fit in a size large. I've got such that brain going on that I need such a big size. I have to have a big size. I can't imagine being back in a large. I've got a mental block. So y'all are helping me get out of that. I'm trying on some larges today. We'll see how it goes. So the first item I have here is an INC International Concept menswear blazer created for Macy's. But it is a woman's, by the way. It is in Hunter Forest. It's in a size large, $39.75. So, been seeing a lot of the oversized men's blazers in fashion, so I thought, well, I'll try one. So, that's what this is. I do think it is cute. It's got the runched sleeves here. It feels nice. It has the hook and eye closure. It does feel like it has shoulder pads. I can't believe we're going back to shoulder pads. I guess that fits in with my 80s theme today. But very cute. We'll see how it goes. I've been needing blazers, y'all, because I like wearing blazers to church. For some reason I get cold in church. I don't get cold anywhere else, but in church I get cold. I guess because I'm still, maybe? So that was the first item. The second item is this white long sleeve top. It's just a white long sleeve top. I needed some. I like wearing vests as well, so I needed something to go under my vests. So I thought I would grab this one. It was $7.99. This is a karenscott long sleeve cotton scoop neckline top created for Macy's in bright white, large. Like I said, $7.99. It's a good price for just a white t-shirt. Good quality shirt. Next is another karenscott. And y'all, I just had to bring out my inner rocker with this one. Look at the detail on this one. It is a sweater with these cute little clips. I don't know why I think that these details, I guess that's that grunge coming out in me. This is a karenscott cotton hardware Henley sweater created for Macy's, $17.99. It is in Cassis is the color. Me, it's like a purple. Very cute. I think it'll be very nice on. It's, it's gonna be a sweater, so I may get hot, but not too bad because it seems like it's not too heavy of a sweater. I'm excited to see what that looks like and how much hair I can collect if I wear it around. 100% cotton, so great. And the last one is red. I've been on a red kick, y'all. And look at this cute little red sweater. I mean, it's just your classic red Christmassy sweater. I mean, would this not be great for Christmas Day? I mean, just adorable. Put on a little green scarf, Santa hat, you're ready to go. This is a Karen Scott cable knit V-neck cotton sweater created for Macy's. It's in new Red Amore, size large, $17.99. Super cute. Did y'all see that cabling right there? Very, very cute. Nice little sweater. So we'll see. I may regret sizing down in sweaters, but we'll find out. I'm curious to see how they're gonna look on me, on my body now. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, y'all. I've got a lot of clothes to try on today, and I'm sitting here thinking, how am I gonna get through all this today? I'll get through it. We're gonna have some fun. Y'all, do not forget, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press the notification bell, and comment below. Tell me what you think of what I grabbed from Macy's, and tell me what you would get from Macy's. What brands, what styles. I want to know. What do you think I should wear? What do you like to wear? Let's just get to know each other, y'all. There's a few people that I talk to on a regular basis. Absolutely love the relationships that I have built with them. Let's have some more. Let's broaden my horizons and, you know, just be friends, be family. Love it. I love y'all. I love y'all so very much. Thank you so much for supporting me. It means the world to me. All right, let's try this stuff on. All right, so here is my outfit of the day, my 80s costume. I got this top at Torrid. These leather looking leggings I got at Target. These that I'm using for leg warmers, actually I think boot tops that I got at Wish many moons ago. All the accessories, the earrings, the necklace, the bracelets, these fishnet hand things, and my head bow I got from Amazon as a set. So let's move on to the clothes. All right, y'all, so here is today's outfit. I am butterflied out. So I got my wings. I think I got these from Walmart. My top, I think I got this from Old Navy. These cute little soft leggings with the butterflies on them, I got from Nadine West. What else? Oh, these earrings, I think I got these off Amazon. Aren't they cute? And this necklace, I don't know, I've had it forever. I could not tell you where I got that from. And yeah, I'm glammed out. Did a horrible job on my eyes, but man, did I have fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna try these clothes on for you. You know, it's a couple days later because I've been busy. And I got wings, y'all. I'll see you back in a second. All right, y'all, so it may be Halloween week this week, but that will not last long. We'll start moving into Thanksgiving and Christmas, and this is perfect for it. Y'all, this is just the right amount of snuggly wuggly for me. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's perfect. I really like this one. Now, I fell in love with the sweater the other day, and I sent it back because it was pretty skin tight. And I was afraid I'd get too hot in it. I'm afraid I wouldn't reach for it. This one doesn't feel like that. It doesn't feel like I'm gonna get too hot in it. So I really like this one. I don't know what the difference is, but I like the color, I like the neckline, I like the roping down it. I really like it. What do y'all think? What you doing, baby? Bonnie. She's like, Mama, I can't get on the bed. You got too much stuff up here. All right, y'all, when I was dressing up today, I did not take into account how painstaking it would be to get clothes over the top of all of this and this, because I don't want to get makeup on the clothes. Yeah, okay. So I really thought I would love this. It's in a great color. I love this color. It's got the little bit of grunge for me. I don't know. What do y'all think? Do y'all like it? Do you not like it? It's very cute. See, those little things are gonna be gone. I don't know, I may like it better with that one unbuttoned. Let's see what happens if I unbutton the other one. Y'all, they come up. I've been sitting there trying to squeeze them out and they come up and clip. All right, what do y'all think of this purple one? I don't know that I love it, but I don't hate it either. This is a good maybe. I'll have to remember what the price is on it and to see. And also I want y'all's opinions. So let me know. I'll be right back. I'm not so sure about this one. I feel like this button is low, which makes this stick out wide, and these things are tall. I don't know that I'm in love with this. I've got a long sleeve shirt underneath it, but they do, the sleeves come up, which, you know, try to make it look cute. I don't know, with my white sleeves sticking out. What do y'all think? Love it or hate it? Pockets are fake. Let me see what it looks like unbuttoned. I could deal with it a little more better unbuttoned, but I'm just not sure about the buttoning. Is it just too small? Y'all let me know what you think. And I'm actually kind of digging the casual vibe of it with the sleeves rolled over it. Am I crazy? I don't know. Very 90s. Very 90s chic. You remember when we used to do that? Big shoulder pads and rolling our sleeves like. Okay. Let me move on. Well, actually, I can just show you this white shirt, which, y'all, is a large, and I think it's a little big. It could have been a little tighter for an undershirt, but it's a large. Y'all, I just now got used to the maybe I can fit in a large, and now I'm sitting here thinking maybe I should have bought a medium. My brain is gonna explode. You know, I'm like the 2X, 3X girl. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. So let me know what you think. Should I keep this shirt? Should I not? Tell me about all of this stuff. I'm gonna put my butterfly outfit back on and we're gonna do a review of this, a recap. I will be right back. All right, y'all, we're back to do the final talking about these clothes. Yeah, I'm a little perplexed, y'all, because I got the sweaters thinking I wouldn't get sweaters, and I like the sweaters. I'm surprised that I like the sweaters. Normally I'm like, oh, I'm hot already, and I take them off, but this one was not like that. I actually was pleasantly surprised about this one, and this one is probably gonna go in my closet. What was it? It's 100% cotton. So yeah, it's washer and dryer safe. So this one is definitely gonna go in my closet. I'm pretty excited about that. I will have a sweater, y'all. That grown up cute little sweater. This will look so cute Christmas Day. Really. So adorable. This sweater, you know, I was kind of on the fence about it. And then I went back and looked at the price, and it's $18. And I thought, well, for $18, I will keep this purple sweater. I think I will wear it. I think it will work. And also this top, I was not 100% sure about it because it was a little loose on me. Let me know if you think I should size down in it, but it's $8. So for $8, you know, I can keep it and wear it under, you know, a flannel or something if I ever buy any flannels. I really need to buy some flannels. I hadn't thought about that. Okay. So that leaves me with this jacket, which I just do not know about. Yes, it gave me that 80s, 90s vibe, you know, pretty in pink, that kind of stuff. I don't know though. I'm just not sure about it. And with it costing $39.75, if I'm not 100% sure about it, I'm not, I don't know. But I hate to send it back just for sending back this one thing. I don't know. What are you doing, Cali Cat? What are you doing, you silly girl? Attacking me with your tail? Don't rub the clothes, baby. We might have to send something back. Let me get these out of my lap before they end up having cat hair on them. All right, y'all, help me. Let me know what you think. I am very on the fence about the jacket. The shirt, I am tempted to switch to a smaller size just to see if I could fit in a medium. I don't know. Medium. I haven't worn a medium since like high school. It's been a few minutes ago. Whew, okay, comment below, please. I want to hear everything you have to say. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. I love it when you share it with your friends. Press that notification bell and press that like button. I really appreciate it if you do all that stuff. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does mean the world to me. Hi, baby girl. You silly girl. Y'all have a very safe and very happy Halloween. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.